Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to make text bigger on Squarespace. So guys, first thing that you will do is of course go to your website, and after that just simply go to the page that you want to edit the text. And let's say I'm gonna change this text size over here. So just simply go for edit over here on the top left, and after that just simply select the text. And now when we select them, as you can see, you should be able to see here this one, paragraph 2. So guys, from here you will have multiple options, and the biggest one that they have is header 1. As you can see, it is very big. And now, as you can see, when you try different heading, you should be able to see different sizes that are available by Squarespace. So guys, another option that you might want to consider as well is just simply going over here on the top right corner of the screen, site styles. And after that, guys, just simply go for the fonts. And now from here, just simply go to the fonts, but click on over here, the arrow pointing to the right. And after that, you should be able to see something like this, and you can change the base size. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.